पसिनाहरू चाहिँ निकाल्न फ्याँक्न आवश्यक छ।
Some people have to be the trash bag sometime.
कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ मानिसहरूले तपाईँको हृदय भएको सबै पसिनाहरू धुलो फोहोर गन्दा मैला कुराहरू चाहिँ निकाल्न आवश्यक छ। तपाईँलाई परमेश्वरले साथहरू सम्पूर्ण दिन उहाँहरूलाई प्रार्थना गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। धन्यवाद।
Lord will also give this couple prayer answer another way.
परमेश्वरले यी दाम्पत्य जीवनमा अर्कै प्रकारले प्रत्युत्तर दिनुहुन्छ प्रार्थनाहरू।
But I also see sometimes you don't have to translate that because sometimes I see that it's dark skies between us. You just tell them.
कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको जिन्दगीमा के रहेछ भने नि आकाशमा लागेको ज्वाला जस्तै बाटो जस्तै देखिन्छ।
Don't speak bad words to each other.
एक आपसमा खराब कुरा नगर्नुहोस्, नबाच्नुहोस्।
Soon Jesus is coming back.
ख्रीष्ट तुरुन्तै आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ
and you shall be bride with him.
उहाँसँग तपाईँ चाहिँ एउटा दुलही भएर जानुपर्नेछ।
Speak the nice words between each other that you want to speak with Jesus.
यीशुसँग बोले जस्तै तपाईँ एक आपसमा दाम्पत्य जो श्रीमानसँग असल वाक्य मात्रै बोल्नुहोस्।
Remember the day you fall in love with each other.
तपाईँ कसरी पहिला प्रेममा पर्नुभयो विवाह गर्नु त्यो दिनलाई महसुस गर्नुहोस्।
And this is the key of a revival in Rome.
तपाईँ यो चाहिँ एउटा दाम्पत्य जीवनमा मिलमिलापको सेवाकाई चाहिँ एउटा चाबी हुनेछ तपाईँको सेवा बढाउनलाई अलिकति स्ट्रेन्थ गर्नलाई।
I can see that some of the kids are not Christian. They have kids that are not Christian.
तपाईँसँग भएको नानीहरू कोही विश्वास छैन छोराछोरी? Two of them are not.
But they will come to Christ.
तिनीहरू अब तपाईँको तुरुन्तै चाहिँ विश्वासी हुनेछन्।
Very soon.
तुरुन्तै छिटै आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ।
One of the reasons is that we start to love each other from the first beginning.
त्यो चाहिँ के हो तपाईँ श्रीमान श्रीमती बिचमा भएको घनिष्ठ सम्बन्ध प्रेमको कारणले देखेर नानीहरू चाहिँ साँच्चै उनीहरू मिल्नुहुन्छ प्रब्लम आउने हुनुहुन्छ।
What has happened with man and dad?
साँच्चै आमाबाबा के भइरहेका छन्?
That is the key for this.
यो दुईजना नानीहरू प्रब्लम आउनु चाहिँ एउटा चाबी हुन्छ। प्रोफेसर हजुर चाहिँ झगडा गर्ने होइन, विवाद गर्ने होइन, तर मिलापमा प्रेममा पहिलाको प्रेम पहिला जवान अवस्थाको प्रेमले सम्झेर अहिले पनि मिलाप गर्नुहोस्। विवाद गर्नुहुन्छ क्या म्याडम सोच्छु कि बाबु सोच्नुहुन्छ परमेश्वरले आशिष दिनु नराम्रो होइन राम्रो भनेको तपाईँलाई।
It's not easy to come to forget by us.
तपाईँले जो पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ
Because if you have Jesus,
किनभने यदि तपाईँसँग यीशु ख्रीष्ट हुनुहुन्छ भने
then you can read on my t-shirt.
तपाईँले मेरो टी सर्टमा मेरोमा छैन है उहाँको पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ
Sorrow, look backwards.
यो sorrow looks backward
Yeah.
Translate.
translate
Yeah.
ल दुःख कष्टले चाहिँ पछाडि हेर्दछ
Worry looks around.
अनि फिक्रीहरूले चाहिँ सबैतिर हेर्दछन्
Faith look upwards.
विश्वासले चाहिँ माथितिर लाउँछ माथिको कुरामा आमेन
So if you are sorry or worried,
यदि तपाईँ चाहिँ दुःखमा हुनुहुन्छ फिक्रीमा हुनुहुन्छ भने
don't look backwards or around you.
र पछाडि र वरिपरि नहेर्नु होला
Look up.
माथिका कुरामा मन लगाउनुहोस् आमेन
That's the whole gospel.
त्यो चाहिँ पूर्ण सुसमाचार हो
Jesus answered all prayers.
ख्रीष्ट यीशुले सम्पूर्ण प्रार्थनाको प्रत्युत्तर दिन सक्नुहुन्छ
Perhaps you feel that prayer that you have to bow down your knees and you have to bow, nibble your finger.
अनि तपाईँलाई प्रार्थना हुन लाग्छ होला घुँडा टेक्नै पर्ने हात जम्लाई गर्नुपर्ने
But just speak with Jesus.
र केवल ख्रीष्ट यीशुमा बातचित गर्नुहोस्
Empty your heart
तपाईँको हृदय खाली पार्नुहोस्
and He will answer you.
अनि उहाँले तपाईँको प्रत्युत्तर दिनुहुनेछ प्रार्थनाको
Because if you're coming in front of Him and empty your heart,
यदि तपाईँ ख्रीष्ट यीशुको अगाडि खुला हृदय आउनुहुन्छ भने
He will also always answer you.
तपाईँको सम्पूर्ण प्रार्थनाको प्रत्युत्तर निरन्तर दिनु सक्नुहुनेछ
Perhaps not in the way that you are thinking,
तपाईँ र मेरो आफ्नो विचारमा हुन नसक्ला
but the best way.
तर उहाँको एकदमै असल मार्गदर्शनमा
Sometimes you have to wait for the prayer answer.
कहिलेकाहीँ प्रार्थना
That the Lord had created a realm under the Dead Sea for the Israelites when should we walk out of Egypt.
जसरी मिश्र देशबाट चाहिँ इजरायलीहरू मिश्रको दासत्वबाट निस्कनु भएको थियो
Because the Lord, He always prepared things.
किनभने परमेश्वरले निरन्तर सधैँ नै आफ्नो समयमा मार्ग तयार पार्नुहुन्छ
I was reading in the Bible that when Paul came to 18 Athens, they said, we are worshipping the God that have no name.
अनि यहाँ हामी धर्मशास्त्र पाउँछौँ पावल जब एथेन्स भन्ने ठाउँमा आयो त्यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा मन्दिर थियो धेरै मूर्तिहरू थियो जसको नाउँ थिएन पावलले भन्छ म त्यहाँको मान्छे त्यो नाउँ नभए मूर्तिलाई पूजा गर्नु त्यो चाहिँ परमेश्वर हो आमेन
And it was a special altar there.
अनि त्यहाँ प्रकार बेद त्यहाँ
And I'm thinking, these are not altars there for the idols.
अनि मलाई लाग्छ त्यहाँ त्यो मन्दिरमा
Welcome to Himalaya. We are now on Tige Heil and we are 2,530 meters over sea level. And I'm standing together with the leadership here in Himalaya. John Tamang, he's the leader from India and Bhutan, and Vijay Lama, he's from Nepal. And we have had great meetings here. And John, what do you want to say to the people about Bhutan and India?
About Bhutan and India, I would like to say to all the people that they should come in the Christ's kingdom soon as possible. Yeah.
Yes, and what we see happening in Nepal also. What's your dream and vision for the next year?
My dream is next year I will visit all over Nepal's 14 zone and 75 district, and I will share the gospel all of Nepalese people.
Thank you. I think that Himalaya is the next Latin America, where we can see the move of the Holy Spirit in a mighty way. And it's tremendous things has happened. We have had meetings with more than 65,000 people here, and about 50,000 gave their life to Jesus in just one meeting. Pray for Himalaya. Pray for Himalaya. That's all we ask you for. Pray for these people. These are the most poorest people on earth. They sell their daughters to India for prostitution. They don't have food. They are living just in wooden houses that is rotten. They have no glass in the windows. It's very cold here, and it's when you sleep in the night, it feels like you are on the North Pole. So God bless you all.